this video is going to explain you how do you attach the Excel file which you have already exported, that is using px generate Excel file. You could have been exported the page list property or something, whatever the data which is there in case, to a system, right? So that the same Excel file you are going to attach to the work object. So we are doing that. So here I took one of the example as schedule training. So I'm going to write the email ID over here. So I have given certain email ID over here and just clicking on create. So when I click on create, my case is going to generate over here. Doing here. So in my example, I'm not going to add any page list property over here because that was already that was already given in the previous video. You can just go through the video which is there in the description. How do you call a px generate Excel file? So here I'm just directly calling it in the post processing of a flow action. So when I click on submit, this would be automatically send an email, and as well as the same the file which you have been exported will be attached to your work object. So if I go and do the refresh, then you can see there are two things over here. Yeah, one is the mail which is sent to the whichever the two which I have written there, and the attached file over here. This is the file which has been we want to attach it as an work object. So this is an Excel sheet. So if you open this Excel sheet, I've already done a few things here. Yeah, if you open this, and then definitely you can see till now we could have taken from almost 10 cases we have taken over here. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, right? So yes, so this is how the you know you will attach the Excel sheet to your work object. But how we are doing this? So this we will be now checking in the Dev Studio. So in Dev Studio I have written one activity. This is send cases activity, where I called a report definition over here. So there was one report definition for me which is already available, so I took that. You can take your own report definition, and this all the data will be available in py report content page. So that's why from there I am going to call this px generate Excel file. Okay, so px generate Excel file, and there I'm providing what is the file name, and you know it, right? How do I add the template? All these things are available in the px generate Excel file video, so you can just go through that and see how it has been done. Now the extra things which we did here over here is attachments. So once this is done, we are going to see these attachments in the attachment. You can see in the data dash work attached file. So we are attaching it to the case site, so that's why I'm using this particular attachment. So I took that page new over here, and then setting few properties here because I need to save the attachment, right? So for saving the attachment I need few properties as parameters. So those properties I am adding over here, like px application, who attached it, what is the attach key, what is the create date time, and mainly we require this ins handle, py attachment page name, show harness, the purpose, and file upload. These things are required. So basically whenever you attach the file, so this will be available in this particular in that particular location file, this location. Okay, and the rest is whatever the Excel sheet you want to write, you can take that. Okay, so you can add over here. So this py note is the your name of that particular Excel sheet, name of the Excel sheet. Okay, so then you can add the fifth statement as save attachment. So this save attachment, in this you are passing the all the parameters which you already did. Okay, so coming to the sixth step, this I'm doing another thing here, so for the next video, so just ignore them. So only till 5 messages, sorry, 5 steps you are doing over here. Okay, so this is how you attach the generated Excel sheet to your work attachment, I mean to the work object. Okay, so you do that, and then basically you can take, and we anyways we have send email step over here now in our case life cycle. So what I'm doing is, after calling this particular activity, I'm adding an extra step called as send email automation step, where to whom I want to send, I'm sending this, and here I'm including the attachment. So whatever the attachments coming under this file, that will be added into this particular email. Okay, so that is what I did. If you are going to have a specific attachment category, then definitely you create your own attachment category and add it. Okay, so I'm taking the default one which is already there, and then I'm using this and clicking on save and run. So from here I'm doing it. So whatever the email ID I'll give, that email ID it will be going there. So I didn't give any email ID. Let's see how it will be there. Okay, so case, you won't see any email ID, but still you can see that that particular file is being attached. So this is how you attach the generated Excel file to your case. Thank you.